How to add location into Snapchat stories. Stick to the end of this video and I'll share with you other interesting Snapchat tricks. There is two ways of adding story, a location to the story. The first one is to use the built-in option. To use that, you need to take the story with your camera like that. We click now the sticker icon and here location. In places we search for the place, or in my case just click the current city I'm in. Tap on the sticker and it will change. Now if you want to use a gallery photo as a story, there isn't any option of built-in location, so we'll build custom. To use gallery photos, we swipe up and click camera raw. Here select a photo, some random photo, and click edit. Tap on edit the pen and the pencil at the left, bottom left. We click on it. Here the sticker, and in the search bar we type location. Pick where you want to be and then just click text and add the location. Click the link at the top of this video to see other Snapchat tricks.